The latest collaboration by Bad Bunny with Adidas is another Forum. However, it has a little bit of a twist to it. It's a mashup of another iconic model, that in the Powerphase. The Bad Bunny Adidas Forum Powerphase Benito in sand, acid orange, and halo gold. As you can see, I went up to a size 6.5. Yo visto así translates to, I dress like this, and Bad Bunny has the attitude, I'm not going to change how I dress, I wear what I want, and I appreciate that. In addition to the box, you also receive a dust bag for the sneakers similar to other Forum collaborations, and 2 sets of additional laces, one in lavender and one in black. Yes, they have 3M reflection. The Powerphase Benito is inspired by the childhood game Catch and Throw, but in the literal sense for this sneaker, it's really about exploring brand new experiences, diving into something new, really breaking away from what you would expect when it comes to the sneaker itself, and continuing to explore new things, challenge parameters. This sneaker draws inspiration from a lot of different models, from the ZX6000 when it comes to the top eyelid, the ghillie lacing system from the Marathon trainer, and then also that double heel that you see on the back. The Velcro heel is detachable, but be aware there's absolutely nothing else in the box to replace it, so I plan to keep that heel on. Your eyes don't deceive you. Yes, that is navy blue within the toe box of the sneaker itself. This Forum, like Bad Bunny's other Forums, will have a double tongue. You're able to detach that if you would like by simply unsnapping the top tongue to reveal the bottom layer. If you move to the interior of the sneaker, you have a black insole with lavender print of the Adidas logo and the Bad Bunny logo. The interior is extremely soft, but be mindful you will get lint from your sock onto the black lining. As part of the mashup for this sneaker, the outsole is from the Powerphase itself, and you will have Dillinger Web technology incorporated that allows for shock absorption, which is great for those on skateboards all day or on the basketball court, similar to wearing a Forum. And finally, Adidas branding on the heel for a little bit more of a vintage aesthetic. They managed to do neutral and colorful very well at the exact same time. Now again, I said you have additional laces, so outside of the green laces that come stock laced, I actually decided to lace swap one of the lavender laces into the sneaker. This is the perfect time to give you a clear look at the double tongue. So you have the third eye that is associated with Bad Bunny based on his album artwork. And on the bottom tongue, you can see it is this sand colorway. You have an Adidas tag tongue in black and white, and then the third eye in green and navy. Personally, it's also the visibility of the snaps on the sneaker, especially right in the middle of the tongue, that's making me choose to keep the second layer on. For me, personally, the black laces are just a little too safe. I adore the green laces, but the lavender laces just do something special. So, as of right now, I have one lace lavender, one green, and as you can see, I'm a big fan of the colors. I mean, look at my nails. You're probably wondering, why do you have the Yeezy Slide in resin sitting next to the Powerphase for this unboxing? Because hopefully this gives you an idea of the colorway present on the midsole and outsole itself. It's very close to the resin on this Yeezy Slide. You have a bridge of both lifestyle, basketball, and skate culture with the Bad Bunny Forum Powerphase. Personally, I rank this as one of the best sneaker releases of February in 2022. Funny enough, Bad Bunny loved this so much when he put the sample on, which was a size and a half smaller than his true size. He took the insole out and wore them. He just left the meeting with Adidas in his brand new sample. And you know what? I don't blame him.
I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see. Yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still.
For sizing, in any Forum model, I usually go up a half size to a 6.5, and it fits me perfectly. It may fit true to size for others, and I'm not saying a 6 can't work, but I don't mind the additional space in a 6.5. In terms of comfort, this is much more comfortable, and I didn't expect that than the other Forum lows I own in various colorways. This sneaker offers a great chance to play around with color selection with the socks you're wearing as well. These are from H&M, available in a 5-pack. With the silhouette being a little bit slimmer than the traditional Forum, you can absolutely dress it up, dress it down, but here are 3 ways I chose to style the brand new Bad Bunny Forum Powerphase. Let's start with the first outfit on the left, and pun intended, it's essential I worked in essentials because they coordinate so well with the neutral muted tones in the Bad Bunny Forum Powerphase. I'm wearing a Harvest hoodie in a size small, and the Essence exclusive beige colorway for the pants, size small as well. Now layered underneath that, the brand new Supreme Al Green t-shirt that dropped a few weeks ago. I picked this up a size medium in the yellow. My new favorite pants, not only because of the stacking, but just the leather aesthetic, the Nerva flared black leather pants I'm wearing here. You've seen these previously in a recent video. And then also the minimal crop jacket in more of that darker sand colorway, and the Love Your Melon slouchy beanie to top it all off. And the very final look, so here you see the JMJ Jam Master J Forever t-shirt in collaboration with Sneaks in the black colorway. I'm actually wearing a size small, so it fits rather oversized. You have the pink 21 on the side, JMJ Forever on the back, and the pants are the everyday minimal nylon corded pants in the olive green colorway. What's going on, everybody? It's your girl TJ back with another video on Talks with TJ. Thank you again so much for tuning in to my thoughts on the Adidas Forum Powerphase with Bad Bunny. Now, I love the fusion of the 2 different models. You guys know I'm a sucker for a Forum, so he already had me hooked there. But the fact that he was a little bit risky on the colorway of the sneaker itself, that is what truly sold me. Some thought this may have been a risky colorway because these colors don't traditionally go together. I would argue against that though. I think it was a beautiful combination, and I say that because Nike did something similar with the SB Dunk High. Do you guys remember the Spectrum, the Easter pair? I adore this sneaker, and so hopefully you guys can see the similarities that are present in the colorway of both of these sneakers. So it works hands down for me. And to be honest, let's just go ahead and I guess disclose where I would rank this sneaker among his other collaborations that have released. I didn't think I would say this, but having them in hand, trying them on, seeing just how well they work with my specific style, I would actually rank this above the First Cafe. And I didn't think I would do that because I really still want the Forum First Cafe, but I would rank this above that. I am a fan again of the slimmer profile they chose to take with the Forum. The mix with the Powerphase just actually works, like taking that Powerphase midsole, it works extremely well. I hope we see more of these come from him. I don't know that we will. I know that they've already teased another Forum buckle and then another Adidas model, so who knows? But if you're asking me personally, where would I rank them? This would actually rank first. Then I would put First Cafe second. Actually, I would put the Easter egg third, and Back to School fourth. But the Back to School option is absolutely one that is probably the most versatile. I would say Back to School is the most versatile because it's all black, but because I tend to wear a lot of tones, you guys were able to see the Fear of God Essentials coordinate really well with a lot of the colors present in the sneaker, and then I just like the pops of color. You can play around with those too. It's ranking number 1 for me. I think it says a lot that Bad Bunny is able to attract consumers to his sneaker, even if they're not part of his listening and fan base. Admittedly, I don't listen to Bad Bunny every single day. It's not in rotation in my AirPods. Again, just full disclosure. But what I can appreciate is a well-executed sneaker and learning a little bit more about his upbringing. No matter what, every single pair, every colorway, he ties that in and brings it full circle to something about either his childhood or just part, you know, something that made him who he is today. And it was no different with this Forum Powerphase, and we saw that as well with the other 3 colorways for the Forum buckle that dropped. So we've already seen another Forum buckle teased in the more so I believe white colorway. I really hope that drops, but I'm interested to see anything else he comes out with in collaboration with Adidas. So as stated before, please be sure to comment your thoughts on the brand new Bad Bunny Forum Powerphase, and if this specific colorway is not for you, would you go for this mashup of a slimmer profile of the Forum, the base, or I should say midsole maybe, and sole of the Powerphase itself, but then all of the other elements that came from other models too? Go ahead and comment that below. Maybe it's not this collaboration, but maybe another colorway, if Adidas released, would catch your eye. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in to another video. Again, it's not something that was out right when this sneaker dropped, but nonetheless, I'm not in a rush to be able to get pairs. I'm just super grateful for the ability to have it in my collection. Listen, happy person. As always, act your age, not your shoe size. Peace.